Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve the exercise of the poem, and the name of the poem is Outside My Window. Answer the following question. First question is, do the two animals get along with each other? The answer of this question is no, they do not get along with each other at all. Who is the narrator of the poem? A girl watching the animals from her room. What are both animals collecting? They are collecting food. What food is a favorite for both of the animals? Little bugs. What does squirrel say to magpie? Ha, it's my garden. What does magpie say to squirrel? Hey, don't take my snack. A person listening to the animals imagine that they are quarreling. Find four words that mean the same as quarrel. Fight, arguing, squabbling, bicker. These questions are more difficult. Discuss them first. How do we know that the animal's noise is disturbing the person in the house? Because the poet uses the word din to describe the sounds of the animals. Din means a disturbing noise. This word shows that the animal's noise is disturbing the person in the house. In what ways are the two animals different? Think about how they move and what they eat. Magpie is a bird, squirrel is a land animal. Magpie flies, squirrel runs. Magpie loves to eat berries, squirrel loves to eat nuts. Now make a list of all the similarities between the two animals. Take hints from your answers to C and D above, but also think about their behavior. They both like bugs, collect food, and fight with each other. Answer the questions about this line from the poem. I watch and I wonder, why must they bicker? Who is the narrator watching? The squirrel and the magpie. What does bicker mean? Bicker mean to argue over minor problems. The narrator imagines that the animals are bickering. What do you think they are doing that sounds like bickering? Making noises. Match the words in A with the abbreviations in B. Abbreviations are short forms. Mr. शॉर्ट फॉर्म इसकी क्या है? MR. स्ट्रीट ST. डॉक्टर DR. सेंट ST. रोड RD. Sometimes we write short forms for names. Zahid Khan, C. Khan. Enid Blyton, E. Blyton. John Foster Dulles, J.F. Dulles. Write these names using short forms. George Bernard Shaw. G.BSHOAW. Charles Dickens, C. Dickens. William Makepeace Thackeray, W.M. Thackeray. Your own name, A. Batul. It's my name. Use the following in sentences of your own. Be careful, the meaning changes when the words are split. Here I write some sentences. You can make sentences of your own. Nobody can deny God. Somebody will come to deliver the letter. Anyone can be successful. Nobody, when the police searched, there was nobody. Somebody, he has painted some of his body. Anyone person can do this job. Find the objects of the verbs in the following sentences. The squirrel eats nuts. Here, nuts are object. The old man built a new house. House is object. My father killed a very large cockroach. My uncle lost an extremely valuable watch. The farmer caught the chicken. Eat your vegetables. She shouted at the magpie in the garden. Magpie. All these words contain the letter Z. What are they? The noise made by a bee. Buzz. An animal like a horse with stripes. Zebra. A place where you might see this animal. Zoo. Not hard-working, sluggish and idle, lazy. A sharp tool with which to shave, razor. Note the sound of S in the following. Say the words aloud and listen carefully to the sound. Sound with S: cozy, daisies, sizes, please, rise, pose, roses. Work with a classmate. First, sort the words into groups, one for each sound. How many groups can you make? Then try to add words to the groups. Say the words aloud a number of times to make sure you have put the words in the correct group. ये जो हमारे पास टेबल है, इसमें से जैसे हमने एस के साउंड वाले जो थे लेटर्स, उनको वर्ड्स, उनको हमने अंडरलाइन कर लिया. अब इस तरह से ये एक ग्रुप वर्क है जिसमें एस के साउंड वाले जो वर्ड्स हैं उनको हम अलग एक ग्रुप में करेंगे और जी वाले अलग. जैसे कि एस का जो साउंड है वो टोस्ट में और आ रहा है और माउस में भी और आ रहा है. इसके अलावा मिसिस में और आ रहा है और सॉसेजेस में और है. इसी तरह से जिसमें जो है वो साइलेंट रहेगा एस, जैसे कि आइसलैंड है, इसमें हम इसको इतना ज़ोर दे के नहीं बोलेंगे. इसी तरह से ऐसे साउंड जिसमें जी का साउंड देता है एस, जैसे टेलीविज़न. इसके अलावा मैयर, इसके अलावा लेयर, इसमें एस है लेकिन साउंड इसका जी आ रहा है. और शी का साउंड शुगर में एस है लेकिन जो साउंड आ रहा है वो एस एच का आ रहा है. कंपोजिशन है नाइदर गिव्स अप नॉर डू दे गिव इन. डिटर्मिनेशन इज़ अ गुड स्किल टू हैव. When is being determined a good thing? Can it be a bad thing? Discuss what determination means and make some notes in response to the questions. Write about a time when you showed determination. मतलब ये किसी चीज़ के बारे में ठान लेना, जैसे अपनी कोई वीकनेस है उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए जो है वो एक अहद कर लेना कि मैंने ये चेंज लाना है। यहाँ पे मेरे पास एक पैराग्राफ है, जैसे लास्ट ईयर व्हेन आई वाज इन क्लास 2 आई वाज वेरी पुअर इन स्पीकिंग बिफोर द क्लास। द स्टूडेंट्स मेड फन ऑफ मी व्हेन आई वाज आस्क्ड टू रिसाइट माई लेसन बिफोर द क्लास एंड आई कुड नॉट। One day it all got very bad. I could not read even a single word. The teacher encouraged me, but I could not go on. At last, she asked me to go to my seat. My class fellows had a hearty laugh. I felt greatly ashamed of me. I determined to make amends. उसने तब्दीली लाने का सोचा। The next day, the teacher ignored me. She did not ask me to read before the class, but I had made up mind. I voluntarily got up from my seat and started reading. As I went on, my voice grew stronger, clearer, and louder. At last, I had overcome my fear of speaking in public.